everyone. For the first time, I am handling the most toughest session, that is the session very immediately after the lunch. I want all of your cooperation now. Okay, I am Tomesh Jain. I am Zonal Business Head of this company called CodeTantra. I'll just start with a very quick introduction of what CodeTantra is. Okay, CodeTantra is a decade-old company headquartered at Hyderabad. So we started our journey in the year 2011 when we started building the product. In 2014, we registered ourselves under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs as a company. And in 2016 is when we got our very first client. In 2025, as we are talking, we are having across 400 clients across India. So all our products were targeted for higher education, making things much more simpler, much more innovative, and much more easier for the faculty and the universities to do their administrative tasks. So the founders, Ramna and Ravi TSV. So these are some lists of awards which CodeTantra has got over the time. And we got the advantage of working with many of the IITs, IIITs, big universities, large universities, small universities, autonomous institutions, affiliated colleges across the south, north, east and west of India. So there are various product lines which CodeTantra has created over the time. I will try to explain them in detail and then I will try to show some very innovative and cool things which we are doing. So the very first product which we have is the revolutionary coding platform. This coding platform is helpful for the faculty in the engineering colleges to teach programming courses much more effectively to the students. And as the faculty delivers the course and the students do the practice, lot of information of how the students are practicing will be given to the faculty so that the faculty can take necessary remedial action. So these are the key important features which we are having. So using our platform, you will be able to do C, C++, Java, Python, data structures, advanced data structures, design and analysis of algorithms, web technologies, DBMS, data science using Python. All these courses can be onboarded. We are having unlimited scaling using AWS. We are having Lovely Professional University, VIT, Shastra, few of the clients where in a single go, we handle across 20 to 25,000 students at a time. Then we are also having interactive live demos because we all know the Gen Z students, they don't like chalk and talk. They don't read text. They don't even see videos today. So we have interactive live demos. Using that interaction with AI, they will be able to understand the concepts much more easily. Depending upon the previous interaction with the student, the AI adapts itself to ask right questions to the right students. So it becomes much more easier for the students to learn. We are also having an AI-based bot usage detection because we all know always the student tries to take a shortcut. Instead of writing the code himself, he will take someone else's code and just try to type it, or he will try to do a Control-C, Control-V. So we have AI-based bot usage detection. Then we are also having automated test case verification. Whenever a student is writing the code, it automatically evaluates whether the student wrote the correct code or not. Then we are also having a leaderboard where faculty will be able to see the details of their students and students will be able to see how they are performing among their peers and so on. Then we are also having gamification models using which the students will be able to enhance their coding skills and so on. And obviously because it's a SaaS platform, 24/7 available. So these are some screenshots of how our interface looks like. This is the courses dashboard where he will be able to see list of all the courses which he is enrolled into. And these are all personalized courses, customized courses according to the needs of the university and the students. And these are some live demos using which the students will be able to interact and they will be able to learn the concepts. No more reading of text and trying to understand it. So this will give you the right buttons to click and system will help the student to understand much more easily. Then we are also having a coding platform where the students will write the code and system will automatically evaluate whether the code is proper or not. Then we are having a visual time traveling debugger which will help the students to understand and debug their own code. Then we are having automatic evaluation for data science and visualization, databases, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I know I am being very technical here because of the coding platform. There are so many reports which are there for the faculty to understand whether the students are doing properly or not, which topic is this not properly understood by the student, which topic is understood by the student and so on. Okay. So this is the AI-based suspicious activity analyzer, where based on the students' typing patterns, it automatically identifies which student is doing properly, which student is not doing properly. And then the second platform which we have is an online LMS. So any online degree, any university which is having their online degree program or distance learning program, they can use our LMS to do the needful administrative tasks. So we have support for courses, you can conduct online classes, you have reports, you have gamification, you can generate certificates, you have assessments, analytics, you have learning paths, personalized learning paths, you have mobile-based learning where students can use directly mobile, no need of a laptop. You can do the user management, you can do the course management, you can do skill training, skill tracking most importantly, and you can also give notifications to the students. So this is the complete LMS which we are having. Along with the LMS, we are also having online proctored examinations. So there are so many innovations we have done in the space of online proctored examinations. Usually when a proctored examination is conducted, there is one laptop on which I am trying to take the exam, and the laptop camera tries to track what the candidate is doing. So if I place a mobile phone in front of the camera, it will track that camera and say, mobile phone, and it will say he is trying to cheat. But usually what students do is, the students put their mobile phone on the laptop screen, which is not at all visible anywhere in the camera. So to solve that problem, we have a technology called as third eye. As you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, you are able to see that there is a setup which the student will be having. So the student will log in simultaneously from the laptop as well as mobile phone, and from these two devices, which both of them have camera, we will be able to see two views of the student at a time. One is the front view and other one is the side view. So I have enlarged that student setup for you to understand it much more easily. So this is the third eye, this is a technology called as third eye, very popularly used by IITs for conducting high-stake examinations. Many of the, for example, one very popular client of us is IIT Madras. Their Zanzibar campus, 96 countries across the world, 96 country students try to take the admission examination of IIT Madras Zanzibar campus through our platform. So along with this, we are also having on-screen digital evaluation. This is for the offline examinations. So once the pen and paper examination completes, we digitize the answer booklets so that faculty will be able to evaluate online. So this is how our interface looks like. So the digital evaluation system has question paper management system, then we have a specialized answer booklet printing, then we have cutting and scanning which will be done, and then the final on-screen digital evaluation will be happening. So this is how our answer booklets looks like. So here you can see the answer booklet is divided into 4 segments so that we can understand, or we can do question-wise evaluation also with the evaluators. Then this is how the interface would be looking like. So on the left-hand side, I am able to see the answer booklet, I will be able to do annotations, I will be able to give the score and so on. So very recently, we have also embedded AI into the answer booklet evaluation. So instead of asking the faculty to evaluate 2000 answer booklets, what we can do is we can say AI that you have to evaluate 2000 answer booklets, and definitely today we doubt AI. So what we can also do is, after the evaluation of AI is completed, you can assign a random sample to the faculty and say whether the AI did a good job or not. So I have some glimpses which I want to show from the AI evaluation. Okay. No worries, just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, the screen is not very clear, but still, here you can see on the left-hand side there is an answer booklet for which the evaluation is done by AI, and along with that it is also giving comments for each and every question. So depending upon what the question was, what the student has written, it is giving comments, and along with the comments, it is also giving feedback points. Probably this particular topic which the student did not answer properly, this is from where he has to learn it, and it also gives proper learning resources to the students right after the evaluation. And now coming to the speed of evaluation, if at all there are 1,000 answer booklets which are there for me for a given subject, the AI can evaluate within less than half an hour. Within 30 minutes, it will give you the grading, it will give you the score, it will give you the comments, it will give the feedback points for each and every student, for each and every question. And along with this, we are also having different kinds of AI which you can create, different types of AI evaluator which you can create. For example, I can say I want to create a lenient evaluator, I want to create a professional evaluator, I want to create a tough evaluator, and you can also specify what aspects to be focused on. I want to focus on grammar. For example, in an English exam, I want to focus more on grammar rather than the content. Sometimes I want to focus more on content rather than the grammar. Even there is a spelling mistake in maths, it's okay for me. But I want to ensure that whether he has taken the right step, whether he has done the substitution properly, and so on. In a law exam, I will be more interested in the loophole which is found out, or the content, technical content which is writing rather than grammar. Like this, we have several kinds of AI evaluators which we can create, and good point is none of this requires a developer. It is all there in UI. In UI, you will be able to select some knobs, and you will be able to create the AI evaluator. And we have done some, we are very thankful to Medicaps University Indore. So they gave us access to their answer booklets, and we did a AI evaluation versus the human evaluation, and we were all able to see that the AI evaluation was matching the human evaluation. I have a counter outside this arena. So if at all you have any points to be discussed related to the AI based evaluation, feel free to come drop by. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day ahead.